As you know, this is a glass of water, and this is a question. Is water wet? Now, this seemingly innocent question can be quite difficult to answer, and before we dive any deeper into whether it is or isn't, we should first ask, what is wet?
Well, Merriam-Webster defines wet as consisting of, containing, covered with, or soaked with liquid.
So from a non-scientific view, those of you who believe that water is wet, you can argue that water is just water droplets stacked up on top of each other, or that water saturates itself. On the contrary, you can say that water joins together or makes other things wet rather than itself. If we avoid all of the technical English and just stick to a scientific view, we can scale down to a molecular level where we can see how water forms bonds and how it's treated at that level.
This right here is one water molecule, or H2O. And if you've ever wondered why water is sticky in a sense, this is because the ions are attracted by an electrostatic force created by the slightly positive hydrogen ions and the slightly negative oxygen ions. This creates a weak bond that allows water to form and break as easily as it does. They attract molecules in all directions, which gives it that dome shape you sometimes see on the top of a glass or a penny, because the attraction creates tension. So with this information, we know that water isn't sticking to itself, rather creating bonds between each other and sticking to other objects.
So in the end, wet is really just an ambiguous meaning, and it really depends on how you want to look at it. I'm a firm science believer, and science states that, I quote, water isn't wet.